Welcome back to Channel 42, and now for our segment on volcanoes. A volcano is a crack in the Earth's crust which allows gases and lava to come up from magma chambers underneath the Earth's surface. When a volcano erupts, there may be earthquakes surrounding or under the volcano. There also might be cracks nearby the volcano where gases like carbon dioxide may come up through the ground. It's important for scientists to be able to predict when a volcano will erupt so they can warn people in immediate danger to evacuate. I'm going live to an interview with a survivor of a volcanic tragedy.
Welcome back to Channel 42. We have a very special guest with us tonight, a survivor of the 79 AD eruption of Mount Vesuvius. First, let me say I'm terribly sorry for your loss. Could you please introduce yourself using the microphone?
I'm Tony. I'm from Italy and I love meatballs. This is my dog Luigi. Yeah, he died a while ago. Mamma mia.
Thank you so much for agreeing to be with us today. So as I understand it, you were a resident of Pompeii before the eruption.
I was with my boys. We were going out to get some new weenie dogs. It's gonna be great, and then it erupted and there was chaos everywhere.
Could you please describe the events or the processes that involved the eruption of such a terrible scale? What were the physical attributes?
Well, there was a lot of shaking on the ground, and there was a terrible smell. It smelled like eggs, but like bad eggs from not Italy. Mamma mia!
I'm sorry for making you emotional. So as I understand, you fortunately survived. You were buried under tons of ash and debris and rocks. Magma. But you were dug out by excavators, including your dog. I'm sorry that I've moved you to tears. I think this is the end to our broadcast for tonight. Thank you for tuning in to Channel 42. And now I'll be playing our outro. I understand it's a favorite of yours.
That's all for today's news segment on volcanoes. Thank you for tuning in to Channel 42.